As promised last week, I'm creating another series to help you meet your writing needs for work, studies, and English tests. It's email writing. Oops, let's correct that right away. It's writing better emails. Let's waste no time. Let's get started now. As a general rule, we use standard English for formal emails. Colloquial language can be used in casual ones. We refrain from contracting our words in our formal emails. Contractions are okay in informal ones. Abbreviations is frowned on in formal emails. It's not really a problem in casual ones. The idea for this channel is to help you gain better writing skills more quickly. I will do the researching and the aggregating of the good stuff related to writing for you. This hopefully will shorten the process for those who need to learn how to write properly, especially those who are planning to take IELTS, TOEFL, TOEIC, EIKEN, and other academic writing tests. So, like, share, and subscribe now to make sure you won't miss any of the good content I create here for you. Here's the basic email structure. As with most things, there are standards or rules to follow in writing emails. This series will focus on formal emails. I will give you a rundown of those rules today. And here's rule number 1. This is far from being an extensive list. It's just to give you an idea what they are. Be on the lookout for more. Here's the thing for you to remember. So even when you're irate or have to say something negative, you need to keep it positive. soften the tone. Here are some examples. And rule number 4 is what we call the KISS principle in email writing. Keep it short and simple. Rule number 5. There's also a rule on typography. And although it's not technically a rule, you have to make it a rule to proofread anything that you write, especially formal emails. And the rules are: avoid using colors and stick to standard font styles and sizes. Errors lower your credibility and will be out there for everyone to see for eternity. So it's just a must that you proofread your emails before sending them. It's rule number 7. It's about questions to ask before hitting send. We've just covered the basics of email writing. In the next videos of this series, we'll delve into the details and actually write formal emails. Watch out for those. I hope you like this video, and if you do, please hit the like and share buttons. Please also double check if you've already subscribed. See you in my next video.